Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back with another video for you guys today. This is going to be an unboxing of the new Airpods that I had recently won. I'm kind of excited to try these out because I wasn't really all that interested in them to begin with when they first came out. So let's get started. Alright, so pretty much just like every other Apple product, it comes with the pamphlets that tell you a little bit about the product and how to use them, which is not really all that important unless you're new to Apple, so we'll just toss that aside since we don't need it. And this is what the AirPods case looks like when you first open the box. I do see that there's a charger and everything in the back, so let's just take this little slip off. I heard you can get up to 5 hours worth of listening time with these, which is pretty cool. Alright, so that's what it looks like. As you can see, it does need to be charged, so I'll have to take the cord out of the box and start working on that so that we can actually use them. And then this is the one that has the button in the back. I'm not sure what the button is for since they kind of just charge and turn on themselves. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like when you open the case. These are the earpieces that you're going to stick in your ear, obviously, and then you're going to connect to Bluetooth and you'll be able to hear whatever music is playing on your phone on these things. I heard the quality of the sound is really, really good, so I'm excited to test that out. And then, of course, it's going to need a little bit of time to charge, so I'll go ahead and let it charge. But that's what they look like up close in person if nobody has ever had any or they're thinking about buying some. So since we're going to leave these here to charge a little bit, what I also discovered was that you can place these things on the charger for about 15 minutes, and then afterwards you get still 3 hours worth of listening time. That is not bad. But of course I bought some cases for it to protect it, so let's go ahead and review those. So if you guys don't know me, I am obsessed with protecting all of my devices with some cases. Up in the left hand corner you'll see that this individual case came with a bunch of different accessories, a little cord or rubber piece to keep the AirPods connected if you don't want to lose them and you feel they're going to fall out of your ear. But this is what it looks like, and it comes with a little puffy keychain that allows you to clip it to your purse or your belt, wherever you feel like clipping it. And this is actually really pretty. I really like the rubber design with the glitter and everything, so this is just the beige ones that I purchased. This is the pink ones. It's pretty much the same exact thing except pink. Kind of like these a little bit better since that's my favorite color, of course. But yes, these are really, really pretty. I love the keychains. That's going to come in handy when I want to put it on my purse like I mentioned before. So in the description box below, I will link the Amazon webpage that I was able to purchase these from. So just like the other two cases, I had gotten this keychain from Amazon. Now this one didn't come with a case, but it does come with a little cord like the other cases that allows you to connect the AirPods so you don't lose them. And also I bought this little keychain because it matched the other case that I bought. And so they didn't come together, but I will list in the description down below also where you can find these. Okay guys, so this is the case that I was just telling you about that I bought that keychain for. It was from the same brand as the keychain. I was really excited to get this case. I think it is just the most adorable thing in the world. When I saw it on Amazon, I was like, oh yes, this is definitely my case. And that's exactly what the keychain is for. Isn't it so pretty? Like all the other products I recently showed you, I also bought these from Amazon, and I will link that in the description box below as well. I bought these because I didn't know how those rubber pieces that connect the Airpods will work out, so I got ones that comfortably fit around your ear. And then that's really all that's to these. There's not a lot to show. They come with the cord that wraps around your ear, and then of course the clip to slide the ear pods into.